Adding a digital product like an ebook, an image, or a video works almost the same as adding any other product. You can start by going to Products and then open the Add menu and choose Add Digital Product. Give the product a name, add a description, set a price, and upload product images. An essential part of a digital product is the section where you can upload the files your customers will receive. You can add one file or multiple files to the same product. Click Add a file and upload everything you want to include. Below that, you'll find the download link settings. Here you can define how long the download link stays valid and how many times the customer can download the file. For example, you can set the link to be valid for 90 days and allow 10 downloads. When you've filled in all the information, click Save. After that, your digital product is ready and available for your customers to buy. There's one more setting that's good to check. This ensures your customers receive the correct message with their download link after their order has been paid. In the left menu, go to Online Store. Then Settings. At the top, select Purchasing, then go to Messages and click Edit. Here, make sure the message called Digital Downloads is active. It's enabled by default, but it's always good to confirm. This message contains the download link customers receive after completing their purchase. That's all you need to start selling digital products.